In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Outlook to Slack. We'll walk through this process step by step to ensure a smooth integration, allowing your Outlook notifications to seamlessly flow into your Slack workspace. Let's get started by opening up Slack either on your desktop or via the web. Once you're in, take a look at the sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen. You'll want to click on Apps. This is where we can start adding new functionalities to our Slack workspace. Now, in the search bar at the top, type in Outlook. You'll notice a few options appear, such as Outlook Calendar or Microsoft Office 365. Select the one that suits your needs. Once you've selected the Outlook integration, you'll see an option to add to Slack. Go ahead and click on that. This step will prompt you to sign in to your Microsoft account, so make sure you have your credentials handy. This is crucial as it allows Slack to access your Outlook account, enabling the synchronization between the two platforms. After signing in, you may have to authorize Slack to access certain features like your calendar and email notifications. This is a standard security measure, and once you've given permission, the app will be installed. Moving on, it's time to configure the integration to best fit your needs. You'll be presented with several options for what Slack should do with your Outlook data. Firstly, you can opt in to receive calendar notifications directly in Slack. This will send reminders for upcoming events, helping you stay on top of your schedule without toggling between apps. If you want to receive email notifications, Slack can deliver summaries or alerts of your emails into a specified channel, keeping your team informed. And if you're looking for interactivity, you can even create new Outlook calendar events right from Slack. Once you've configured those settings, the next step is to choose where these notifications will appear in Slack. You have the flexibility to select a specific channel or a direct message feed, ensuring that the right people are in the loop. The final step in our process is to test the integration. It's always a good idea to verify that everything is working as expected. You can do this by sending yourself a test event or waiting for an upcoming calendar reminder to appear in Slack. Check your chosen channel or DM to confirm that the notifications are coming through as intended. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully connected Outlook to Slack. This integration helps streamline your communications and keeps everything in one easily accessible place. Thanks for watching today's tutorial, and I hope you now feel confident using this feature to boost